Hello friends, welcome back. We are studying Advanced Java Programming, Unit number 4. In this lecture, we are going to study URL connection class. In the previous lecture, we have studied TCP/IP client sockets and URL. In the current lecture, we are going to study URL connection class, lecture number 33. URL connection. URL connection is a general purpose class for accessing the attributes of a remote resource. Once we make a connection to a remote server, we can use URL connection to inspect the properties of remote object before actually transporting it locally. These attributes are exposed by the HTTP protocol specification and as such only make sense for URL objects that are using the HTTP protocol. URL connection defines several methods. Here is the sampling. First method, integer get content length. This method returns the size in bytes of the content associated with the resource. If the length is unavailable, -1 is returned. Second method, string get content type. This method returns the type of content found in the resource. This is the value of the content type header field. Returns null if the content type is not available. Third method, long get date, returns the time and date of the resource represented in terms of milliseconds since January 1st, 1970 GMT. Fourth method, long get expiration. This method returns the expiration time and date of the resource represented in terms of milliseconds since January 1st, 1970 GMT. 0 is returned if the expiration date is unavailable. Get expiration. Next method, string get header field into bracket integer idx, returns the value of the header field at index idx. Header field indexes begin at 0. Returns null if the value of idx exceeds the number of fields. Next method, string get header field into bracket string field name. This method returns the value of header field whose name is specified by field name. Returns null if the specified name is not found. String get header field key into bracket integer idx. This method returns the header field key at index idx. Header field indexes begins at 0. Returns null if the value of idx exceeds the number of fields. Next method, map string comma list string get header fields, returns a map that contains all of the header fields and values. Next method, long get last modified, returns the time and date represented in terms of milliseconds since January 1st, 1970 GMT of the last modification of the resource. 0 is returned if the last modified date is unavailable. Next method, input stream get input stream throws IO exception, returns an input stream that is linked to the resource. This stream can be used to obtain the content of the resource. Notice that the URL connection defines several methods that handle header information. A header consists of pairs of keys and values represented as strings. By using get header field method, we can obtain the value associated with a header key. By calling get header fields method, we can obtain a map that contains all of the headers. Several standard header fields are available directly through methods such as getDate method and getContentType method. Example, URL demo, ucdemo.java. The following example creates a URL connection using the open connection method of a URL object and then uses it to examine the document's properties and content. And the output for this example is like this. Output: the program establishes an HTTP connection to www.internet.net over port 80. It then displays several header values and retrieves the content. Here are the first lines of output which are precisely written here. Date, content type, no expiration information, last modified, content length 4917, like this. Content HTML, head, title, meta name, content style, like this, style ends, header ends, like this. All the output will be displayed on the screen. Okay, go through this example, see this example. Start the cmd command prompt for execution of this program. cd unit 4 java c. See this example, demonstration of URL connection. First thing, we need to import the packages. Import java.net.star semicolon, import java.io.star semicolon, import java.util.date semicolon, class ucdemo open curly bracket, public static void main string args throws exception open the curly bracket, variable integer c, URL object URL hp equal to new URL into bracket double quotation http://www.internet.net double quotation complete bracket complete semicolon. Now URL connection object URL connection hp-con equal to hp.open connection method hp.open connection semicolon, get the date information long d equal to hp-con.getDate method. If d double equal to 0, system.out.println no date information double quotation complete bracket complete semicolon, else system.out.println into bracket double quotation date double quotation complete plus new date into bracket d brackets complete semicolon. Now get the content type system.out.println into bracket double quotation content hyphen type colon double quotation complete plus hp-con dot get content type method bracket complete semicolon. Get the expiration date d equal to hp-con dot get expiration semicolon. If d double equal to 0, system.out.println into bracket double quotation no expiration information double quotation complete bracket complete semicolon, else system.out.println into bracket double quotation expires double quotation complete plus new date into bracket d bracket complete semicolon. Get the last modified date d equal to hp-con dot get last modified method. If d double equal to 0, system.out.println no last modified information bracket complete semicolon, else system dot out dot println into bracket double quotation last modified double quotation complete plus new date into bracket d bracket complete semicolon. Get the content length integer len equal to hpcon dot get content length method semicolon if into bracket len double equal to -1 system dot out dot println into bracket double quotation content length unavailable bracket complete semicolon, else system dot out dot println into bracket double quotation content length colon double quotation complete plus len bracket complete semicolon. If into bracket len not equal to 0 bracket complete open curly bracket system dot out dot println into bracket content bracket complete semicolon input stream input equal to hpcon dot get input stream method integer I equal to len while in triple bracket c equal to input dot read method bracket complete not equal to -1 brackets complete system dot out dot println typecast the char to the c into bracket char space c bracket complete semicolon close the curly bracket if system dot input dot close method semicolon close this if now okay while closed if closed else open curly bracket system dot out dot println no content available bracket say curly bracket close main method curly bracket close class curly bracket close. Like this you can write the program for URL connection class java c uc demo. Okay, compilation is okay. Now execute this program. See the output on the screen. No date information, content type text or HTML, no expiration information, no last modified information, content length unavailable, content HTML head meta script location href localhost address is given, script head body like this. If internet is connected somewhat information is different because we are getting here also. Connection is okay. Now see this details of all the information content of this connection is given on the screen. Okay guys, thank you for watching UC demo example URL connection output. In the next lecture we are going to study HTTP URL connection class. Thank you.